Okay, hey guys, welcome to day 5. Sorry, it's really blurry, it's really dark in here. I just got to work, I forgot to start the vlog. So I'm starting it now, before I go in. Day 5. Wow.
No.
I don't know how to hold the phone good.
I don't know. Owen says, "Who's that baby?"
Who's that baby? Who's that baby?
You want to see yourself?
I think he really likes this, but I think he likes to look at himself.
You like looking at yourself.
That's okay, because you're so cute.
You like cute.
So it's like 5 something.
5:03.
Huh. We all just got home. I'm in change out of work clothes, although it's really only half work clothes. It's only work pants.
I got a lot of compliments on my sweater.
It is ugly.
They all like the cup holder.
Hey, I'm really happy that my evaluation's over with, because I was kind of like, well, because my next few dress things, they don't really go with the theme, like,
Of the day.
but I could, like, loosely do it, but I was like, if I'm getting evaluated, I feel like I should look semi-professional. I say, as I got evaluated in this. But now I can wear it full-spirited.
I wear full-spirited regardless.
Anyways, and then
I'm gonna mop right
we're
here.
gonna have dinner.
Because somebody didn't put their head up right.
You were the last one to get one out.
You're not supposed to remember that.
It's sitting right over there.
You're not supposed to remember that.
I did. Haha. Okay, here we are again. I didn't film an intro, and now I'm at work, and I gotta go in because we have a meeting. It's gonna be a day. I can feel it. Okay, so it's like 4 o'clock now. I'm at my grandma's house because I have to make wreaths. I have the dogs because I gotta make a lot of wreaths, and so Jacob's meeting me here. So my grandpa just asked me if I needed help, but I think I got it. I backed up to the gate so I could just throw them in. But that's the update. Maybe I'll show you making a wreath. We'll see. Look at that. I remembered to film in the morning. Yeah, I did. Say, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Say, today, Mommy and Daddy have to go to work, and then they're going to meet me at Grandma and Papa's, where my Oma and Opa and Uncle will be. Yeah. Are you going to have a fun day? Yeah. Okay, so it is after work. It is 3 o'clock, or a little bit after 3, I guess, but I'm on the way home, so that way then I can pick up the dogs, and then I'm going to go to my grandma's house, which I think I kind of mentioned earlier. She's putting her tree up today, and my dad and his wife and my brother are all going to be there decorating the tree, and Owen's there anyways, and I do have some ornaments there. I chose to keep some of my ornaments, like from my childhood there, so that way then I had ornaments on the tree too. So we're going there, and we're going to help her, well, them decorate the tree, which will be fun, and I know Owen will love to see the tree. He loves lights, and I'm hoping that tonight we can get some photos of Owen So then I can make a freaking Christmas card because it's December 7th and I haven't yet. So my goal is to have them ordered today or tomorrow. So that way then I can send them either tomorrow or the next day. That is my goal, or, you know, get them in the mail. You know, that's the goal. That's my hope. We'll see. I've been super busy, you know, making wreaths, going to work, have a baby. And then I get so tired. So that's the goal. That's my hope. We'll see how it all unfolds, but I'm optimistic. Or I'm going to try and be optimistic. Okay.
I'm cutting the toenails, so you might want to get me.
Okay. So we just got home. The dogs are eating. Oh, I'm tired. I don't know about Jacob in there. He's literally said, I'm cutting a toenail. You probably don't want to get me.
Well, I have an ingrown toenail.
Ew.
It hurts.
Owen's currently passed out in his car seat, but that won't stick long. I just realized, whoops, I'm so used to us getting home late from Grand's that I thought it was already 7, so I fed the dogs. They technically had like 6 more minutes.
They're okay.
Whoopsies.
They were pretty good today, so.
Oops. My bad. I now realized I didn't even say what I really wanted to say. I made our Christmas card on Walgreens. I still need to order it, but I did make them, and I really like them. I think that they're very cute. So, here's my update. I'm gonna go take off my makeup, put PJs on. Life's gonna be good. Say good morning, guys. Say my mommy got the Christmas cards ordered, so she's gonna do them tonight. Yeah! Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? You're so cute, Stink. He says, I need a diaper change and I have got to eat again. I just have got to. There's no way to go about this except that. Okay, it is 3 o'clock. Well, yeah, a little bit after 3. I'm going to my grandparents' house so I can make some wreaths because I have to make 8 more this week. It might be the rest for the year, or I might have to make more. It kind of just depends how selling goes this weekend. But if it's supposed to be as gloomy as it's been all week, then I doubt we will sell much because people don't get out and it's super rainy. Plus, you know, it's getting closer and closer to that time. So I am going there to make those. They are out in English, which is like, from where we live, it's about an hour. They, being my grandparents, are out there, and they're who watch Owen. So Owen is also out there. They're doing some things. My dad also lives out there. So, yeah. That is what they're doing. So I'm going to make wreaths since I don't have Owen anyways, and then I don't have to do it tomorrow, or I have to do significantly less tomorrow. I also need to pick up the Christmas cards because I sent them to the Walgreens that's right by their house, thinking, oh, I'll just get them whenever I get Owen. And yeah, so if I need to get those, so then I can get them ready to get sent off. So, how many times can I say so? In a minute and a half. A lot, apparently. That is what I'm doing right there now. Hopefully I'll get there before, well, I should get there before 3:30. Hopefully I get there at a decent time so then I can just go out there and start and bust out the 8 that I need. And then I can go to Walgreens, and then I can get home, have time to shower, all before Owen gets there. That's my hope, but I don't know how well that'll go. Guess it depends how fast I make wreaths. We'll see. Do you see yourself? Wow. Oh, sorry. So we are just chilling at home. Actually, I'm probably going to end the vlog here because we're just going to have dinner and then probably go to bed. I took a shower, picked up the Christmas cards. Owen's talkative, saying all the things. I didn't get stamps. Poop. Maybe my grandma has some stamps. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna sign off. I'm gonna go try and edit some of this. Maybe Owen and I will edit together. We'll see how much we get done before Daddy gets home. But I hope you enjoyed this set of vlogs for Vlogmas. Be sure to stay tuned. We've got more coming your way. You say bye. Say bye-bye. Say see you in the next one.